Hello, my name is Andy Giselle Murcia Bakiro. Today I want to talk about the effects of technology on the environment. And I think the negative effects are caused by the excessive use of natural resources. For example, petrol is a mineral used for the manufacturing of a smartphone, and all of us have one of these. According to reportage of the Independent paper, the Democratic Republic of the Congo is a country with 80% of the natural reserve of this mineral in the world. But did you know that for each 1 kilogram of this mineral, 2 people die in the heart of Africa? So this is very bad for the environment, but also it's very bad for the people of this population. According to National Geographic, in the last decades, climate change is stronger. The temperature is increasing and the water of the ocean is higher, and melting of the polar ice cap for the greenhouse gases that coming from human activities. We have lost biodiversity, important for the balance in the planet. The pandemic caused zoonotic diseases began because of the loss of the environment of the wild animal by the use of natural resources. However, the technology can help us to reduce our dependence on fossil fuels. If we change for renewable energy source like solar energy, this can be the impact positive way effect of technology on the environment. I wish that politicians and decision makers become responsible for the formulation of the plans for the sustainable development needed for environmental protection and the suitable use of natural resources. Moreover, from my point of view, wherever anybody does matter. For example, the reduction of carbon footprint, recycling, using the bicycle for transporting, then all the people can help with this purpose, even without strong environmental laws, because every day we are implicated with our actions in natural resource use, and it is our obligation to take care of them. Thank you so much.